Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, we have the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, so this is the Nintendo Switch 2 and of course this is the bundle that comes with Mario Kart World and of course it's a full downloadable game. Alright, so check out the box. This is what the box looks like. Alright, so we're gonna go straight into the unboxing. It doesn't come with a plastic. It's simple as it's seen here. Alright, so you see some instructions here as towards the setup. Shows you the power button and the layout, very handy. Alright, so there's some attention to detail by Nintendo. Alright, so here you go. This is the device. Alright, so it looks very nice. Alright, so let's look at what you get inside of the box. Alright, so you get the Joy-Cons. There are two of them. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the first one. Alright, so they come with the new mechanisms, I've heard. And the detach mechanism at the back. Alright, so we're going to put these aside. Here's the second one. Alright, very nice as well. Alright, so I'm going to put these out of the way. Alright, so this is the Switch itself. Alright, so the unit is very nice. It comes very pristine condition. And you can see the bezels right here. So it's a much larger display. You can see the inputs at the base. And at the top, you can see the speaker grills, various inputs, including the power button and other buttons. You see where the Joy-Cons connect at the side and clip into place. And they're color coded, so you know which one goes where. It's very nice. Alright, so this is the main unit. Alright, so that's the main stuff inside of the box. Here you go. As you can see here as well, there's the user stuff here, including the Play Online card. There's some instruction manuals. You do get the HDMI cable, and you also get some straps, and these straps to secure the Joy-Cons or the controllers so that you don't lose them, especially when you're playing with them. Alright, now in the base of the box you also get this, and what you do is attach the controllers to this one here. Alright, it doesn't seem to have a battery, but of course it turns the Joy-Cons when you're in TV mode to a playable controller. So that's very nice as well. Next, we have the adapter brick. So this is the adapter brick with a Nintendo on it. Some weight to it. It's very nice. Put this aside. Another cable. This time it's HDMI, or should I say USB-C. Alright, so it's a USB-C. So it comes with all of the cables. And last, we have the dock. Alright, so this is the dock, the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. And the dock is for when you're playing in dock mode. Alright, so when you're playing dock mode, you can actually connect up your Switch to your TV. All right, so there's a compartment here as well, and inside you would have the connection points for your HDMI. So this section actually comes off and it can be removed, so you can hook up it to your TV with the cables and so on. All right, so everything is pristine. All right, so this is the unboxing. Later on we'll have the setup guide as well as first impressions and lots of tutorials. All right, so if you have any direct suggestions on this or questions, you can ask them below in the comments. And thank you for watching the unboxing, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.